Today, let us learn to find the average of consecutive odd numbers and answer USS model questions. Average of consecutive odd numbers. The first set is 3, 5, 7. Usually, we will find the average by finding the sum. Sum is 15 and the number is 3. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 is the average. We can see that the middle number is 5. And seeing the picture, it would be easy to remember, isn't it? So, let us see this picture 3, 5, 7. And making all these items equal. Take these two from here to here. So, the average is the middle number 5. All the items are equal. Everything is equal. Each is 5. And 3, 5, 7, 9. Look at the picture first. 3, 5, 7, 9. Making it equal. Take this 3 from here. Put it here. And 1 from here. Put it here. So, the average is 5 plus 1, 6. Or 7 minus 1, 6. The average is the even number in between 5 and 7. The middle numbers are 5 and 7. The even number in between 5 and 7 is the average. So, average of consecutive odd numbers. If the number of odd numbers is odd, here 3 numbers. The middle number is the average. 5 is the average. Here 7 is the average. If the number of odd numbers is even, here 4 numbers. The even number between the middle numbers is the average. The even number 5 and 7. In between 5 and 7, the even number is 6. Here, the middle two numbers are 7 and 9. In between these two numbers, 7 and 9, the average is 8. So, this is the easy way of calculating the average of odd numbers. Then, there is another special case. It is odd numbers from 1. Average of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. Here 1 and 3. Look at the picture. 1, 3. Average is 2. Number is also 2. 2 into 2, 4. Sum is 4. 2 square. 2 into 2 is 2 square, 4. And 3 numbers. 1, 3, 5. The middle number is the average that we have just seen. 3 is the average. And what is the number? 3. And the average is also 3. So, starting from 1, the number is 3, average is also 3. One more, let us see. 1, 3, 5, 7. Here, average is, we have just seen, the middle two numbers are 3 and 5. So, 4 is the average. 4 is the average. And the number is 4. Average is also 4. So, that is the speciality of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. The number of odd numbers is the average. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5 numbers are there. 5 is the average. Square of 5 is the sum. Then up to 99. How many numbers are there? How will we calculate that? We know 1, 2, 3, etc. 100. There are 100 numbers. Out of that, 50 are odd numbers and 50 are even numbers. Half is odd and half is even. So, we will get there are 50 odd numbers from 1 to 99. And the average is also 50. And the sum is 50 square. 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25. Then 2 zeros. And 1, 3, 5, etc. P. Whatever odd number may be the last number, we have to get the number first. That is the average also. How many numbers are there? How did we get this 50 here? 99 plus 1, 100. Half of 100 is 50. 9 plus 1, 10. Half of 10 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. Here also 5 plus 1, 6. Half of 6 is 3. So, P plus 1. Take P plus 1 and divide it by 2. Find the half of it. That will be the number and that would be the average also. Then if we are getting the average, then sum is equal to n square. And to find the last number also, there is a method. That is, the last number is 99 here. How do we get this 99 from this 50? 2 into 50, 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So, P, the last number, is equal to 2 into number or average minus 1. That is the last number. Okay. Now, let us do questions. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 13. Find the product of the first and last numbers. Average is the middle number that we have just learned. So, 13 is the middle number. So, which are the other numbers? First, let us write this 11 and 15. Then we can write this 9 and 17. Then only 13 would be the middle number. Now, find the product of the first and last numbers. 9 into 17 or 17 into 9. 17 into 9 is equal to 153. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 40. Find the difference of the first and last numbers. The sum is given. Number of numbers is also given. First, let us find out the average. Average is equal to 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Then 10 is the even number in between the two odd numbers. So, the other odd numbers are 9 and 11. The middle numbers are 9 and 11. And the other numbers are 7 and 13. So, we got the 4 numbers. Find the difference of the first and last numbers. 13 minus 7 is 6. So, 6 is the answer. Find the average of first 100 odd numbers. We have learned just now. Number first 100 odd numbers. This number itself is the average. So, average is equal to 100. And find the average of the odd numbers from 135 etc. 999. What is it? How many numbers are there? P plus 1 by 2. 999 plus 1 by 2. That is 1000 by 2. Half of 1000 is 500. So, 500 numbers are there. And that is the average that we have learned just now. So, you have to bear in mind all those 4 items. Okay. Then, last question is, this is from USS 2020. Sum of first 100 numbers 135 etc. is 10,000. How much is the sum of 100 odd numbers starting from 21? We need starting from 21 only. So, we have to first find out how many numbers are there from 1 to 19. 10 numbers are there. and we have to find the sum also. What is the sum? Sum is 10 square 100. And from 1 to 110 odd numbers let us take. Then only we will get 100 odd numbers from 21. So, sum of 110 consecutive odd numbers from 1 is 110 square. So, it is 121 and 2 zeros. 11 square is 121 and then put 2 zeros. 12,100. And 12,100 minus 100 is our answer. That is 12,000. Bye. Thank you. See you in the next class.